What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So this is the Moga XP7 X Plus, which is a telescopic Bluetooth game controller for Android phones, and as you can see, it's officially licensed by Xbox. So this game controller is compatible with more or less any Android phone, and you can see we've got a whole bunch of Android phones on the table right now. In the box we have a user manual, the controller itself, and check it out guys, that is one beefy looking controller grip. Well, coming back to that, let's see what else we get in the box. So two cables are included, a micro USB to USB-A charging cable, and we've got a micro USB to Type-C cable. And if we remove the adapter, you can see it turns into a micro USB to micro USB cable. So here it is guys, in my hands, the new Moga XP7 X Plus. And this one feels quite beefy in the hands, but you are getting a real Xbox feel with the buttons and the layout. Now you can slide this middle part out, and this is actually a phone stand. So if you had a phone or a tablet or even the Fold 4, you can prop it up, and then you've got some desktop gaming action. Now the telescopic grip in the center allows you to insert phones up to 7.1 inches and up to 181 millimeters wide. Just going to test out one of the newer phones, so the Nothing Phone 1 right here. And as you can see, that's a perfect fit. Really nice. Let's try the biggest phone we have here. And I know some of you are going to ask me, will it work with the Fold 3? Well, yes it will. Fold 3 fits really nicely. So that will really give you some big screen mobile gaming action. So yeah, I really like how games look on the Fold 3. So with this controller, you're in for a treat. Now finally, I do want to try a smaller device. So this is the Pixel 6a. Let's see what that looks like. So yeah, you can game with a smaller phone. It doesn't have to be a big phone, and this is what you can expect. The Pixel 6a appears to be the smallest phone here, and that's actually not bad. It makes the device a little bit lighter in the hands. So let's grab the S22 Ultra again. Really like how this screen looks. So I'm just gonna slot this one in, and yeah, that does look really nice. We've got dual joysticks. You've got your D-pad. We've got our X, Y, B and A buttons. We've got the trademark rounded Xbox home button. We've got a menu button just underneath there. On this side we have a view button, and just above it we have a button that shows you your battery levels. So on top we have our trigger buttons, LB, RB, LT, RT. We've got a Bluetooth pairing button just over here, and on the opposite side we have a wireless charging switch. That's right guys, this controller supports wireless charging. So you've got a 2000 milliamp hour battery built in with a wireless charging pad right there. So as soon as you flick that switch, you can see that the phone will immediately start charging. So it'll give you a boost to that juice when you need it. So yeah, definitely like that feature. Of course, needless to say, your phone has to support wireless charging, and the S22 Ultra does. Now on the back of the controller, we have a tiny reset button over here, and we've got two mappable advanced gaming buttons, which you can actually customize and assign mid-game on the fly, which is quite interesting. And at the bottom of the controller, we have a switch allowing you to change between Bluetooth and USB mode. And on the other side, we have a single green button, which is your advanced mapping button. So this button over here will allow you to custom map the rear two buttons. So you can connect more or less any Android phone to this and play all the Android games that support a game controller. For example, you can play Minecraft, Fortnite, Dead Trigger 2, Asphalt 9, Modern Kombat, all the GTA games, and lots more. This also works great with game streaming services like Google Stadia, PlayStation Remote Play, Steam Link, Xbox Game Streaming, and lots more. So I will quickly show you how this works. Place your smartphone in the holder, switch to Bluetooth, keep the Xbox button pressed until you see a flashing light. Then you keep the Bluetooth pairing button pressed until you see the white indicator flash fast. So we are now in pairing mode. So on your phone, open up Bluetooth settings, and you should see the Moga XP7 X Plus. Tap on it, accept it, and that is it. We are now connected to the game controller, and the steady white light will confirm that you are connected. Also, you only need to do this once. Once you're connected, the controller will remember your phone. So as soon as you power on, it will automatically connect to your phone. And again, I like to say how cool the Samsung S22 Ultra looks with this controller. Now this is not just a Bluetooth controller, you can use it wired as well. And the way you're going to do that, I'll quickly give you a demo. So you grab the shorter cable, which is Type C to micro USB. You're plugging in the micro USB on this side, and make sure you switch to USB as well. So we are now disconnected from Bluetooth, and then you're simply plugging this in. And as soon as you connect the cable to the phone, you will see a steady white light, which means you are connected, and you can see that the controller is ready to use. Now, before we jump into any gaming at all, I want to confirm with you guys, Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile will not work with this controller, as those games require an official Xbox controller connected in order to work. Now, there is of course a workaround. You can download a controller mapping software, and that will definitely make it work. But out of the box, natively, this controller will not support COD Mobile or PUBG Mobile. All right, so let's jump into some gaming and see what this can do. All right, so we're gonna start off with some Android gaming, and we're playing Grid Autosport. Here we go.
I've been stuck here for ages.
All right, let's roll.
Watch it! Ah, look at this! Uh-oh. Oh, look out! Hey, look at this! And there they go again! How would you like to be in their camp?
15 love. Love.
Man, I'm just getting started.
Here at Old Trafford, it is United versus City. Bruno Fernandes has it. Showing excellent vision. Oh, denied by the post. But he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Well-timed tackle. Sancho. He's in here. Ronaldo! And a goal! United forge ahead in the derby!
Aaron Black.
Right, I just want to quickly show you how you can configure the back advanced gaming buttons. So what you're doing is you're keeping the green button pressed for 2 seconds, and you're going to see the LED flash. So here we go. 1, 2. LED's flashing. Now all you need to do is decide which one of these buttons that you want assigned to the back. So I want B assigned to the back. So the B, press it once, and then I'm going to press the button I want to assign it to. So the back one, press it once, and you've seen the light is now steady. If I press the back button, it's doing the kick that I programmed. If I press on the other side, it does nothing because it's not assigned. So we are now going to assign another move to the other side. So keep this button pressed for 2 seconds. Okay, it's flashing, so choose a button. I want to choose Y, so that's just a simple move there. You saw what Y does. Press this side. Light is now steady, so I'm going to press this side now. You can see what it's doing. And if I press the other side, we've got kick. Now mid-game, if you want to change things again, you can press start, so you're not spoiling your game. Keep it pressed for 2 seconds. Quickly assign another button, so I'll assign A, and then we'll press this side. So this side is now A. Let me show you that in action. So press the back button and you can see it's doing the same function as A. And I'll press the back one. So that is how you program the rear buttons. Really fast, easy, and can be quite useful in certain games. So I've just switched to the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 and we are checking out some Xbox cloud gaming. Here we go. So there you have it guys, that was the official Xbox licensed Moga XP7 X Plus. An amazing mobile gaming controller with wireless charging built in. The controller is extremely well made and it's simply plug and play for most Android and streaming games as well. Now for emulation games you might need to configure the controls from within the settings. Some of them work straight out of the box. But games like COD Mobile and PUBG are not supported natively. The XP7 X Plus feels ergonomic and comfortable to hold. You're getting a real Xbox vibe from this. It does feel pretty good, nearly as good as a real Xbox controller. Now I especially enjoyed game streaming with Google Stadia and Xbox game streaming. It works like a dream. Now if you've got any questions, if you want me to specifically test something for you, let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.